Redox reaction: main oxidation and reduction. First, what is the redox reaction? Second type of redox reaction. Third, classification of redox reaction. Fourth, oxidation versus redox reaction. Fifth, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Sixth, oxidation number. Seventh, example of oxidation number. 8, RH stock notation. 9th, balance redox reaction. 10th, redox reaction in daily life. 11th, quick revision. 12th, important point. आज हम स्टडी करेंगे about redox reaction means oxidation and reduction. तो चलिए स्टडी करते हैं. First, what is redox reaction? क्या होता H redox reaction? A chemical reaction in which oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously is called a redox reaction. Oxidation equals loss of electrons, addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen. Reduction equals gain of electrons, addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen. Example: zinc जोड़ Cu, T zinc जोड़ Cu. Zinc loses electrons oxidation. Cu2T gains electrons reduction. Second type of redox reaction. Redox reaction के कितने प्रकार होते हैं? First, intermolecular redox reaction. Oxidation and reduction occur in different compounds. Example: SnCl जोड़ 2FeCl, SnCl जोड़ 2FeCl. Sn, TSN oxidation, Fe जोड़ Fe, T reduction. Second, intramolecular redox reactions. Oxidation and reduction occur within the same compound. Example: 2KClO, 2KCl जोड़ 30. Ci जोड़ 5-1 reduction. O -2 शून्य oxidation. Disproportionation auto-redox reaction. The same element undergoes both oxidation and reduction. Example: Ci जोड़ 20HCr जोड़ Ci0 जोड़ H0. Ci 0-1 reduction. Cl 0 जोड़ 1 oxidation. Third, classification of redox reaction. Redox reaction का classification. First, direct redox reaction. Oxidation and reduction occur in the same container. Example: zinc जोड़ कस 0-4 ZnS0 जोड़ Cu. Energy is generally released as heat. Second, indirect redox reaction. Oxidation and reduction occur in separate half cells. Example: electrochemical cells, battery. Energy is released as electrical energy. Fourth, oxidation versus reduction. Oxidation and reduction का बीच का फर्क. Oxidation reduction. Addition of oxygen, removal of oxygen. Removal of hydrogen, addition of hydrogen. Loss of electrons, gain of electrons. Increase in oxidation, decrease in oxidation. Number. Examples: oxidation, reduction. 2 megagram जोड़ O, 2 mgO Fe, O जोड़ 3 2 Fe जोड़ 3. Zinc तारांकन जोड़ 2 ECU 2T जोड़ 2 ECU. Fifth, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. क्या होते Y oxidizing and reducing agent? Oxidizing agent, oxidant, reducing agent, reductant. A oxidizing agent, oxidant. A substance that accepts Electrons and causes oxidation of another substance. Important oxidants: CH, Br, KMNO, K, Cr0, H, so, conc, HClO4, KClO. Reducing agent, reductant. A substance that donates electrons and causes reduction of another substance. Important reductants: Na, Al, zinc, C, S, P, H, Na, LiH, KH, Feso, SNC, H, S. Sixth oxidation number short form ON. पता लगाए GE की oxidation number क्या होता है? Oxidation number is the apparent charge on an atom in a compound. Important rules: 1. Free elements have ON equals 0, H, O, Cl, S. 2. Fluorine always has 0, N equals -1. 3. Oxygen usually has ON equals -2. In peroxides equals 1. 4. Hydrogen usually has ON equals जोड़ 1. In metal hydrides, Na, CaH equals -1. 5. Alkali metals equals जोड़ 1, Na, K. 6. Alkaline earth metals equals जोड़ 2 megagram, K. 7. Sum of oxidation numbers. Neutral compound equals 0. Lon equals charge on iron. 7th example of oxidation number. Oxidation number के example क्या होते हैं? 0 K, Cr, 0 U, NH, no. 2 जोड़ 1 जोड़ 2x जोड़ 7 -2 equals 0. 2 जोड़ 2x 14 equals 0. 2x equals जोड़ 1 2. x equals जोड़ 6. Therefore, Cr equals जोड़ 6. For NH, x जोड़ 4 जोड़ 1 equals जोड़ 8. x equals -3. For no, x जोड़ 3 -2 equals 8. x equals जोड़ 5. Nitrogen shows 2 oxidation states. NH equals -3, no equals जोड़ 5. 8 Stokes notation. Stokes notation के बारे में गानेंगे. Variable oxidation states are written using Roman numerals. Formula common name Stokes notation. Cu 0 cuprous oxide copper, L oxide. Fe O ferric oxide iron, L oxide. HgCl mercuric chloride mercury, second. Chloride. 9th balancing redox reaction. कैसे करें balance redox reaction को? Methods. 1. Lon electron method. 2. Oxidation number method. Example, Lon electron method. 3Cu जोड़ 8 HNO, 3Cu no जोड़ 2 NO जोड़ 4 H 0. Example, 0 oxidation number method. 4 megagram जोड़ 1 0 HNO, 4 megagrams no जोड़ N O जोड़ 5 H 0. Redox reaction in daily life. Redox reaction का daily L8 फे में क्या उस होता है? Oxidation processes. Corrosion, rusting, bleaching, combustion of fuels, antiseptics, reduction processes, photography, photosynthesis, metallurgy, antioxidants. 11th quick revision. Quick revision. Redox reaction. Oxidation equals electron 51 loss, 0, 1 addition. Reduction equals electron 1 gain, O, I removal. 1. Intermolecular redox. 2. Intramolecular redox. 3. Disproportionation, autoredox. Oxidants, KMNO, K, Cr0, O, Cl. Reductants, zinc, Al, H, C, SnCl, FeSO. Rusting, combustion, photosynthesis. Photography, metallurgy. Oil rig. Oil equals oxidation is loss of electrons. Reg equals reduction Ls gain of electrons. 12th important point. Mahoutpurn Pint. Oxidation is loss of electrons, reduction is gain of electrons. Oxidizing agent accepts electrons, reducing agent donates electrons. Increase in oxidation number equals oxidation, decrease equals reduction. Redox reactions involve simultaneous oxidation and reduction. In redox reactions, mass and charge are conserved. Oxidation equals all, zero oxidation is loss, reduction equals reg, reduction is gain.